back to Calabama Cooking. Today in the Love Lab, we are back at the air fryer and we are making mac and cheese egg rolls. Now, there's a whole lot in that. It sounds great to begin with, but let me tell you something. This is bacon and chipotle mac and cheese, so it's got a nice little kick to it, and it's egg rolls, and they're made in the air fryer. It's like, does it get any better? Come on in the kitchen, guys. Let's cook. So guys, I'm gonna talk to you about how we do these egg rolls. First of all, this mac and cheese I've made here is just a basic, it's a stovetop mac and cheese that I made. It is not from a box, but if all you do is from a box, that's okay, boo, do you, all right? So I've made this with a chipotle seasoning and a little bit of bacon. That's not the main point of this video, but it's good. Okay, here I've got my egg roll wrappers, all right? And I've got a little bit of water, and this is really all you need. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your filling, and the good part about this is you can pick a filling, any filling, okay? You're gonna put in some here. You know I like to overstuff things. Y'all know how I do. It's no secret, okay? Then once you get that in the middle there, you're gonna take some water. You can use your finger for this, or I'm just using a brush because it's just easier. But sometimes I use my finger. I use whatever my mind tells me to use. You're gonna go, over, tuck it under like that, fold, fold, and roll. And the beauty of egg rolls, see that? That's it. The beauty of egg rolls is anytime you have any little parts that are open, all you have to do is put a little water on it and it will seal it closed. So when you go to cook these in your air fryer, you don't have to worry about them coming open because they're gonna be closed just fine. Here we go again, see? Filling. I'm gonna turn this a little, there we go. A little bit of water. Some people use egg wash here. You can, but honestly, honey, water works just fine. But do you? No judgment, baby, no judgment. See there? All right. Back here, over here. Fold like an envelope. This side. See how I touched that and it just went together from the water? That's all you gotta do, and roll. Okay, and then when you get done, if you want to be sure, just wet it like this, a little bit of water on those little sides like that, and it'll come right together. All right, okay, so I'm going to roll up a few more of these, and then we're going to put them in the air fryer, and before you know it, we are going to, oops, I dropped a doodle. Before you know it, we are going to be feasting on these bacony, slightly spicy mac and cheese egg rolls. Okay guys, so I've rolled up just about 5 egg rolls because I'm just going to show you the basics of it. Now this is important because even though you're air frying doesn't mean there's no oil, it means there's less oil. So you want to use a little cooking spray, okay? And spray the tops of your egg rolls. That just helps them get crisp when you're cooking them. Okay, and you can turn it over, and we'll spray the other side as well. And we'll probably spray it again when we flip them in here, okay? And I recommend spraying the bottom of your air fryer. Just helps with cleanup. Again, remember this is all sealed, so we're gonna put them in seal side down. You wanna preheat your air fryer a little bit. I like preheating it, just helps it get started faster, but if you don't worry, the world ain't gonna come to an end, baby. I promise. I promise, you have Auntie's word, the world is not coming to an end. Okay. So we're gonna put these in at 360 degrees for about 6 or 7 minutes. Then we're gonna flip them over and finish cooking them. So there we go, 360. Start at 6. Well, our first 6 minutes is done. Let's pull these out. Look at that. They look like egg rolls, don't they? Because that's what they finna be. We're gonna flip these over. Oh my goodness. I'm a kid in a candy store, y'all. I'm excited. I'm gonna flip these over. Okay. Spray them one more time on the side. Put them back in for, ooh, they're sliding. They're so ready and good. I'm gonna put these back in at 360 once again for this time 5 minutes. Okay guys, well, we had our final 5 minutes and look at what we've got here. Beautiful, crisp egg rolls. I cannot wait. Oh, let me stop blocking the shot. to dig in. Don't they look amazing? And what I love about this is once you really learn how to use the air fryer, you can get things crispy in the air fryer just like you deep fried it. And oh my gosh, ready? You hear that? You hear that crisp? You hear that crunch? Listen. Woo! How's hot? Okay, I'm gonna cut one open so you can see inside, guys. And then I'll go from there. Oh, you hear that? I know you hear that crunch. Oh, it's hot. I'm messing up the cutting because it's so hot. Oh, y'all. Okay, I got a whole nother stack I'm gonna make, so I'll have a real pretty picture for this video. Whoo, you see the steam coming out of there? Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't touch it. It's literally burning my fingers. But I'm gonna take one for the team. Here we go. Oh gosh. Oh. 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 That was too hot. It tastes amazing. But it's too hot. I got to stop being so greedy. Y'all pray for me. But can you just see how delicious this looks? And I know you heard the crunch because the crunch was loud. The crunch action was serious. And there you go. Oh, still hot. Damn. All right, guys. Air fryer, egg rolls, mac and cheese egg rolls. Look, kick. I love the kick on them. I will see you next time right back here in the Love Lab for more Calabama cooking. I'm going to go back in. It's good. I just can't stop myself. See you later. Happy cooking.